Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy here, Mackoy. I'm back again for another video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified whenever time I upload a new video. 3 months ago, binili ko yung kauna-unahang mechanical customizable na keyboard ko, which is the LAM-ANG Pro. Inassemble ko yung LAM-ANG Pro together with the Gateron brown switches and white pudding keycap. I've been using my keyboard for almost 3 months now and it's really good for gaming purposes. However, recently nagkatrabaho na nga ako, so I don't find it comfortable or convenient using for typing purposes. So I decided to change my switch from brown back to yellow Gateron switches. At bakit ko nasabi na back? Actually, this is not my first time using Gateron Yellow switches. Kasi before netong LAM-ANG Pro, ang keyboard na ginagamit ko sa office ko noon ay yung Rock Elis with Gateron Yellow switches. 2 weeks ago, I decided to place an order sa Shopee to buy a Gateron Yellow switches. Lalagay ko na lang yung link kung saan ko nabili yung mga switches ko dyan sa description box. 2 weeks after, na-receive ko yung package, to be specific, last Thursday, and then I unboxed the switches and assembled the keyboard yesterday. During the assembly, ayan, tinanggal ko muna lahat ng keycaps, tinanggal ko lahat ng switches, nilinis ko muna yung keyboard, and then saka ko siya kinabit yung mga yellow switches. Disclaimer lang mga tol, this is not actually a in-depth review ng Gateron browns and Gateron yellow switches. But let me try to show you yung comparison ng brown switches sa yellow switches based dun sa sound kapag ginagamit na siya. Para sa mga bago din dyan sa mundo ng mechanical keyboard, ang Gateron brown switches ay tactile switch na medyo bumpy or medyo clicky siya pero mabilis yung response time. While the Gateron yellow switches, it's a linear switch na silent at smooth for typing. What could be my next plan for my keyboard? Siguro susubukan ko siya i-lube yung lahat ng yellow switches ko. Please comment down below for any recommendation or kung paano ko gagawin yung pag-lube ng mga switches. Alright mga tol, so that's it for our quick vlog for today. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung panonood. Again, maraming salamat sa mga nanood at mga nag-subscribe dyan. Kita-kita muli for now, Mackoy! Peace out! See you on the next one.